In this video I'm going to show that it is indeed possible to have multiple containers for different applications running at the same time in the Access Computer Vision SDK 4 when creating applications for the Access Network cameras. So for this experiment we're going to use a camera on this IP address, and we can SSH to the device and see that this is an RPEX7 device, but this should be the same on all cameras that are supported by the Computer Vision SDK 4. So for this experiment we're going to use a simple Python application as a Docker container. The application is just counting up from 0 and writing the accounts to the standard output of the application. So let's give the application a name, and then we build the Docker image for the application, and we send the Docker image over to the edge device, over to the camera. This takes a few seconds as we are compressing the full file system for the Docker container or the Docker image and copying it over to the camera. So now it is located in the camera, and now we can use our Docker Compose to start it as a daemon running in the camera. So if we now run the docker ps command, we can see that there is one container running in the camera, which is the application we just deployed. So we can start a new terminal to show the output from this application. And we can see that it is counting up. So let's now go to another application I have prepared. So this application is very similar. The only difference is that this application is counting down from 1024 instead of counting up. So we need to use another application name to make sure that it's another application. And then we build this application. And then we deploy, first we're going to send the image over to the camera device. Now the image is sent to the camera, so now we can start the application. And if we now do a PS again, we can see that there are two different applications running in the camera. So we have the old one that is counting up, and we have our new one which is counting down. So we can see that the old one is still counting up as expected, and if we start another terminal, we can attach to this new container here. And we see that this new application is counting down. So both of the applications are running side by side now. So this is not an issue in the acap application platform to have multiple applications running at the same time.